My name is Carol Gomez with my partner Valeria Munoz. We are from Manuela Beltran University in the Intermediate English course. The writers Valeria and Carol we try to talk about one of the topics more talked about in this industry. The journey of my life will have talked about how situation in life can be changed just with a time machine. The movie will see talking about a man who have to travel to the past and change sometimes that happened in life with the girl he has always loved. And then he will have gone to the future and make sure that this time change will have been like he wanted. Throughout this journey, he will be experiencing all kinds of emotions, like joy, sadness, and happiness. He will have noticed that all he have done will have changed his entire life. The movie is called The Journey of My Life is about a man who will have traveled to the future and past. The genre will be about drama and science fiction. There will be two main actors, the man called Elias Houston and the woman called Sarah Connor. The man will be wearing a fancy jacket, a black t-shirt, a jeans, and a watch. And the woman will be wearing a casual blue t-shirt and black pants and black shoes.